Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking in essentials. Sign in and verify your API key or platform access so requests will run. Once done, state a single clear goal, what output you need and in which format, and collect 2-3 representative examples and constraints to guide responses. You do this because specific prompts yield predictable output. Vague requests waste iterations. Make sure to note token limits or rate caps so you don't hit errors during the first run. You next craft the prompt. Start with a concise instruction, add context and 1-2 examples, and specify exact output format. Once done, tune model parameters like temperature for creativity and max tokens for length, and set a system message to lock tone or constraints. You should run 3 prompt variations, then compare results against your examples. Make sure to log what changed, so you can reproduce the best prompt and avoid repeating. You finish by validating the chosen prompt on a broader sample, applying post-processing or safety filters to meet production needs, and packaging the prompt into your code via SDK or API. Once deployed, monitor failures and add retries with exponential backoff to handle rate limits. If results drift or become incorrect, revert to the last working prompt and make one targeted change, then rerun minimal tests. This isolated troubleshooting quickly reveals which edit caused the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.